we have officially launched the Cozy Butter GLP-1 community, and it is free to join. I'm going to give you a sneak peek at some of the features and tell you what to do next. If you're new here, my name is Kim. I'm an obesity care advocate. I make content about this. I have a podcast where I interview experts about this. If you like that kind of content, hit all these buttons, especially the save, so you know what to do, and follow me here for more. First things first, we're going to go to cozybutter.com, and you're going to see our landing page, which just talks about our mission and what it's like in our community, the things that you're going to get from it. Then you're going to create an account with your email, and then you're going to come to this main page, and you're going to see where it says the butter place, because that's what this is, because we deserve something butter. It doesn't just start with the script and end with the script. You'll see over here where we have live sessions. So Fitness with Kat is this Friday. So you're going to want to come to that because this is all free. Over on the left-hand side menu, you're going to see where it says start here. So you'll go there and you can see the bulletin board. You'll be able to see events. This is where you can come in and post. You're able to post, okay? Then you can see the events, which are basically sessions, right? So we call it Butter Together events. So we have different creators in the community that will come. For example, the one with Kat, where it's fitness. For me, we have Mental Wellness Mondays. So we will talk about all things GLP mental stuff and the side effects and stalls and all the stuff diet culture does to us. Then we have the right side, which is basically like a journaling group. Half and half is kind of a combination of that where you get to talk. Thrive Thursday, Amanda is a health coach and my co-founder at Cozy Butter, so you can come in here and do that. Again, Fitness Fridays, but you can see you can set up with these ones that are every now and then. We have other creators that will be joining as well. Then we have the living room, which is like where you can come and just hang out and do post, right? We have the kitchen table, which is where you can come in and share recipes or different things you've tried, like protein hacks, things like that. There'll be videos. You can post a video, or you can just make like constant text content. Then we have Cozy Corner. So this is more like we're going to have conversation. Kat has one for 90s diet culture, which is really interesting. Then we have the fitness studio. So this is where you can go and have information about like different exercises that you can do, strength training. We like to call it movement that sparks joy, because it's just not all about working out in the gym, which I know a lot of people like, and that's fine. Then you have Ask a Health Code, the GLP-1 pantry. Again, this is like different things that are like tools and resources. So you can see here it says podcasts and books and all these different recommendations that we have. And again, you can contribute to these as a member. We have the toolbox, which has things like a calculator for water, a calculator for protein, helping with side effects. This is all backed by sources and you can see everything, but it's literally like a calculator, okay? Or this one specifically, so you can like be like vomiting, and then you can see what you got here, scroll down. It says like recommendations, you know, like obviously get care, right? I want you to be able to talk with your doctor as needed, and the different sources where we pull the information from. Amanda made this because she's brilliant. So these is just a really good toolbox for you, okay? We do have news, which is basically an aggregate of a lot of different news in the space. So this could be from an access perspective, right? Or new ones that are coming out, lawsuits, all those things. Does that not kick ass? Go join cozybutter.com.